Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2021 Ford Ranger in a Lariat trim and powered by a 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency. Coming with running boards down below, does have an FX4 off-road package, giving you some more capability there, and the black appearance package, giving you black accents all around, as well as the black Ford badges. But let's take a look inside. And first, looking into the back, we have comfortable seating for 3 with a nice full leather interior. In the middle, you have fold-out armrests with 2 cup holders, as well as having a 110 volt and 2 USBs here in the middle. And then the seats can also be lifted up and out of the way to create some more storage room and reveal some storage bins underneath. And this vehicle does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your truck. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a partially power adjustable driver's seat. Now sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, as well as your controls for your right screen, where you can go into your entertainment, navigation, and phone controls. And then on the left you have your cruise controls with distance pacing technology, as well as your controls for your left screen, where you can cycle through your distance to empty, RPMs and oil temperature, off-road status, digital speedometer, tire pressures, average speed. And then you can also go into your trip information, fuel economy, driver assistance features and settings, and then settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Moving just to the left, you do have your lane keeping system on the end of your signal stock and power folding mirrors. And moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there. You have your digital climate controls with dual zone front climate, Bluetooth phone controls, navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera so you can see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything. And you do have a premium B&O sound system in this vehicle. Moving down, you have your hazards and then your media controls and your physical climate controls, again with dual zone front climate, but also heated front seats so you can stay cozy. Then you have 2 12-volt power outlets here, as well as 2 USBs so you can plug something into power or charge. And then here you have some of your more off-road controls, such as your trail control, which is kind of like low speed cruise control for off-road settings. And then you have your auto start stop shut off, your locking rear differential, traction control shut off, park assist sensor shut off, and your tow haul mode. Then you have your actual 4x4 selector here with your terrain mode selector in the middle for normal, grass, gravel, snow, mud, ruts, and sand, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. Moving on from that, you have your main shifter with select shift on the side so you can manually shift through your gears, parking brake, 2 cup holders, and your center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious for all of your stuff inside, but that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.